What if 4 AI agents could handle your entire coding job, from idea to deployment? Today, I'm walking you through the exact architecture I use to automate my whole dev workflow using just 4 AI tools. And yes, you can set this up, even if you're a beginner. First, let's talk about Agent 1, Code Generator. This is the AI that takes your project brief and turns it into functional code. I use GPT-4 with a custom prompt, but you can try open source options like CodeLlama or StarCoder. Feed in your requirements, and out comes your starter code. Second is the code reviewer. Once the code is generated, this agent checks for errors, enforces style, and suggests improvements. I linked GitHub Copilot in review mode, but you could use Meta's Code Critic or any AI that understands code context. This step catches bugs before you ever run the code. Next, Agent 3, Automated Tester. Here, I used an AI that generates unit and integration tests based on your codebase. Tools like TestPilot or ChatGPT's function calling can do this. The AI writes and runs tests, giving you instant feedback on what works and what breaks. Finally, Agent 4, Deployment Bot. This agent handles CI/CD, automating builds, deployments, and even rollback if something fails. I used a GitHub Actions workflow powered by AI triggers, but you could try Hugging Face's autodeploy or similar tools. All 4 agents work together, passing code down the pipeline, from generation, review, testing, to deployment. The only thing you do: review the final results and tweak prompts as needed. Setting this up took me about 2 hours, and now, most of my development tasks run in the background. It's not perfect, but it's fast, efficient, and only getting better as the tools evolve. Want to try this yourself? Check the description for links to the tools, setup guides, and my architecture diagram. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive into any of these steps, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI workflows. See you in the next one.